My culture celebrates in the Jatra, Gai Jatra, Godha, society, and many more. They were speak your language, Nepal, Bangsa, custom like baby bar. To food. This culture is unique. My culture includes tradition, belief, and costume. We share our culture, art, festival, and celebration. It has to promote peace and understanding. Culture should be preserved for future generations. Respecting culture keeps tradition alive. My culture is my pride, and I am proud of it. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Shri. कति राम्रो आउनुहुन्छ है श्रीले कति राम्रो भनेर गइसो अब अर्को हाम्रो सिनियरको